Any dream is just a dream until you decide to do something about it.
The people have started noticing shooting, especially in India, recently.
The shooter has to pay or spend lots of energy in getting the different assistance, mainly the coaching, which is very difficult. At the same time, acquisition of your equipment, the arms, ammunition, everything.
We used to be very ill prepared for internationals, so suddenly we had a system which was absolutely not recognizable by us.
We don't have enough infrastructure, maybe 2-3 ranges we have got. A lot of things will have to be done, have to improve this, have to keep up this.
You have a dream. We will nurture it. Gun for glory.
At least we know what we need now, and we never knew that we want these things.
Now it's like instead of waiting for the change, we decided to be the change.
There is no question of looking back. We are on the right way, but more infrastructure should be there, more external help should be there, or more sponsors should come up to take up this.
Winning a medal speaks years of hard work behind it. And what bolsters this hard work is proper guidance and mentoring.
गन फॉर ग्लोरी की स्थापना के पीछे हमारा मेन एम है 2016 ओलंपिक। हम एक ऐसी एकेडमी बनाना चाहते हैं जहां पे एक स्पोर्ट्समैन, एक शूटर जब आता है एकेडमी में, तब उसको वो सारी फैसिलिटी मिले जो उसको ओलंपिक तक पहुंचाने के लिए ज़रूरत होती है। उसे सिर्फ शूटिंग रेंज, कोचिंग इतने ही नहीं, बल्कि उसे वो सारी चीज़ें, स्केट के ऊपर ट्रेनिंग, फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, डॉक्टर, मेंटल ट्रेनर, जिम, स्विमिंग, वो सब कुछ उसे वन रूफ के अंदर मिले, जिससे कि अगर उसे कुछ बुखार भी हो गया तो उसे किस डॉक्टर के पास जाना है, कौन सी गोली खाना है, जो डोप टेस्ट के अंदर आता है नहीं आता है, वो सारी चीज़ें ढूंढने ना जाना पड़े, वो सब कुछ उसे एक ही जगह पे मिले।
And I came to this complex in Baliwadi, and when I find this shooting range, it was very big surprise for me, because this facility, which according of international requirement, international level, I think and I'm sure here possible to conduct any competition.
SCAD is a highly sophisticated technology which gives you the precise measure of accuracy. It is a minimum requisite for both beginners and experienced shooters. A video analyzer goes a long way in helping shooters in assessing themselves. Latest scientific equipments to measure muscular strength, oxygen, and fat. Equipments used are calibrated according to the specifications of International Shooting Sports Federation.
Here also you can test the ammunition. Now what we are doing is actually maybe we have got 10 batches, different batches of ammunition, and we check it here on the fixed wise and the machine and all those things like that, and we select which ammunition is suitable for which shooter's barrel like that, and they are taking care of that also. The Gun for Glory, they are taking care of that also. They are going to do the batch testing and select the ammunition for each and every shooter. Maybe one is, as I said, I am repeating it, actually one may be very good for a barrel, but that may be very bad for another barrel, but you have to select it. They are going into the minutest detail to make the ammunition which is the best one, or the equipment which is the best one. In addition to physical fitness, we need a more power of concentration, or the mental training, the visualization, a lot of things like that.
Be sure, here, any child any junior, any girl or boy, they will get many things. And not only for sport, and even for future life, because shooting gives passion for the life and ability to reach aim, and not only in sport, in life.
We give a mental training, we have got mental trainers, also good people like that, and the concentration and all those things, that will help a lot in shooting. That is essential also.
I think with Mr. Gagan Narang, we have a very good mentor. We believe he is a very capable person. He's gone through the grind. He has, bloomed out of really nowhere, in the sense of the support available to him was relatively less, but he's really bloomed. And I believe he has the players' heart, players' well-being at his heart. I think a mentor is very important in an academy, and I think that starting point was very good, and we believed that is why we've gone with Gun for Glory.
Shoot. Shoot for passion.
Shoot. Shoot for glory.
Shoot. Shoot for your country. Let's join hands and gun for glory.
I wish all of them all the best. I pray God that it is going to be the unique one here in India, and let them reach the heights that they want to reach.
I'm sure India will get with this academy, will get very good supporting to shooting development, and I'm sure some of students who will come to this sport complex, somebody of them will be on podium in next Olympic Games.
I wish them all the best.
I wish them all the best.
मेरे शुभकामनाएं उनके साथ हैं, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र उनके साथ है.
On behalf of the Laksh team, I would like to wish Mr. Narang and the Gun for Glory Shooting Academy all the best and best wishes.
I'm really very glad that you have come up with this idea, and I wish you good luck.
गन फॉर ग्लोरी इस एकेडमी के लिए और गगन भैया, पवन सर और उनके टीम के लिए मेरी बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं.
बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगी गन फॉर ग्लोरी को, क्योंकि ये बहुत अच्छा डिसीजन है इंडिया के शूटिंग के लिए.
Gun for Glory is 600 on 600.
ये एकेडमी एक हर एक भारतीय का है, ये हर एक शूटर का है.
I have always been a product of the system. It's now time to give back to the society. Hence, Gun for Glory.